Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? It is Sunday. Yes, I'm doing a Sunday video. Don't always, but sometimes when I have time to do it, I can do it. And I was out getting groceries for family dinner tonight, and I thought I'm just going to go on and do what is affiliate marketing and how does it work for beginners? Because I'm still sort of reeling in that training I did on Friday about people just not quite understanding or grasping exactly how it works and sort of why it works. So, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? This is for beginners, so this is going to be a step-by-step. If you're already advanced, maybe just you want to listen, I've got some little tricks at the end I'll show you, and a great little program that you might want to tap into just to bring your skills to the next level. All right, if you like videos on how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do network marketing, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, notifications, and make sure you share the video. Share the video, share the video. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is really simple, guys. It's basically someone makes something. It could be a physical product or it could be a digital product, right? Or it could be a service, right? They create something, and instead of basically creating it a shop and selling it, or maybe they do that, they will go out and they will get people that have large networks of people or even small networks, and they'll get them to refer it in exchange for a commission. Right? That's it. So it's not a job. You're not getting paid a salary or anything like that. You are getting paid hold on, please. Children want to play with slime. All right. So basically, where was I? So basically, you are then given a link. So you're not an employee or anything like that. You're given a link to sell this product. You could do it offline, but generally, this is affiliate marketing is really truly done online. And what basically they give you a link, and that link has a tracking device in it. So that link is unique to you and only you. It's not, no one else is like it. Even though that link may, once people click it and they go to the site, like this is something that a lot of affiliates get confused on. They'll get their link, they'll click it, and then when it goes to the site and they look in the URL, their ID is missing. It's just the main URL. It's because it's already been recorded. The cookie has been placed on the person's site. It's already been recorded that person was referred by you. And that's basically that. So then they track that, and then they give a commission anywhere from 2 or 3% all the way up to, I've seen it as much as 60, 70%. There's actually a program that pays 100% commission. You do pay a small fee to be a reseller, but they pay out 100% of the commission, and they pay it out in a structured way. So you actually get paid on different elements. You get paid on people that you've referred that want to become resellers themselves. You get paid on them, sort of a little bit like a network marketing company. And that's a whole other can of worms. If you want network marketing, Google, search my channel. There's lots of videos on network marketing. But basically, that is affiliate marketing. Now, how do you get people to click on that link, right? Well, the first thing you want to do not send it to all your friends and family and say, hey, click on this link, because they're probably not even looking for the product that you're selling. You don't want to go onto social media and just start spamming that link, because a lot of places like Facebook will just ban the link, which you don't want to happen. And also, it's just spamming. You're not marketing, right? You need to learn how to market. And by the way, the first link below, click it if you want to learn how to market. For $7, you will learn from the best in the world. $7, $7, and you can learn from the best in the world. And you even get a coach in that time. It's a 15-day course for $7, and you get a coach with it. So what you want to do, so it's very specific. Your traffic needs to come from people that are attracted or looking for that type of product that you're selling, right? So if you're selling a travel product, you want to attract people that travel. If you're selling a make money online product, you want to attract people that want to make money online. If you're selling a weight loss product, then you want to attract people that are looking to lose weight or to be healthy, right? So you have to think about what is the product that you're selling. Now, a lot of affiliates sell a lot of things, and in order to do that, they don't have one specific platform that they're selling it from. They're selling it from multiple platforms. So for example, a business partner of mine, he has a weight loss. It's Welo. What is it? Weloni. You can go check it out. WELONI. So it's a weight loss blog, Weight Loss Ninja, right? But it's Weloni, right? So you could go there and check out his site, wilani.com. And what he's got different weight loss products there. That's all the site is about. He also does affiliate marketing in other places. He does lots of different things, but on that site specifically, all he wants to do is attract people that are interested in losing weight. So he also has a Pinterest account that is connected to that, and he trades pins, and he has a ton of pins and inspirational pins, right? Which is all directing back to that site. That's how he's driving traffic. So what is he doing? He's attracting people that are looking to get healthy, to lose weight, and basically they're looking for the product that he's possibly selling. So for example, here's a great example of exactly how it works, right? So he gets his link, he sends traffic to it with his site, his wilani.com, or it's wilani.com or wilani.net, and then if he makes a sale, right, a commission goes back to him. Now, that is one way to do it, and that's how most beginners start. And I'm telling you, you don't want to start that way, right? There's a step in there that you need to be doing, or you're going to be spending a ton of time having success. If you want to just dabble, that's great. But if you really want to turn it into some really good passive income, a retirement fund, and maybe even something that just runs on total autopilot because you have so much content out there after a while, then you want to do another thing. So I'm going to show you. So basically, this is how you really want to do it. So you get a link here, right? Let me get on here. You get a link here. You send traffic, but you don't send it to the link. You send it to a landing page. And that's at that landing page spot, you're going to collect an email. And why do you want to collect an email? Because you want to be able to market to them. Maybe they're not going to market. They go to the sales page and they don't buy that product, right? They basically do they do a no sale, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to email them, and they're either going to stay on your email list or they're going to unsubscribe, which is fine. Guys, don't be afraid of people unsubscribing. Don't get like, oh, they unsubscribe, poor me. Don't. Like that's it doesn't matter. People unsubscribe from lists all the time. They signed up, they don't want it, they get too much email, they're not looking at your emails. It's a good thing for them to unsubscribe because you want active people on your email list. So let's say we did that, right? We've set up a weight loss blog, we're rocking it, right? We're doing all this stuff. We've got these offers, and before there's advertising right there on the offer. Boom, if they click on it, they go to a landing page, they go, that's great, the next step, and then we send them to the sales page. They don't buy. But now we've got their email, and maybe every 3 days you send out and I don't know if Dave's doing this, Wilani update, right? So every 3 days, hey, this is the Wilani update. Just letting you know, new products coming out, this. There's a great product for men for this. And you just keep doing that. Like every 3-4 days, you just send out a newsletter to them telling them about new products that you're an affiliate of. And you just educate them that there's always these new products. And even if you think that you might say in 3 weeks, you might have to repeat through that stuff, just change the wording a bit. Like, hey, hey, you know what? The red tea detox is proving wonders. It's doing so great. Have you checked it out yet? Right? So you can do this stuff. Now, what's great about having an autoresponder is you could set those emails up in advance. So when someone opts in, you don't have to sit there and email every day. You go, in 3 days, I want you to send them this email. In 3 days, you want them to send them this email. In 3 days, you want to send them an educational one. Maybe you're going to send them to a video a really cool video on YouTube that you found that someone does crunches, or hey, this, water and walking. I've lost a ton of weight just doing water and walking. I drink a lot of water, and I've been walking almost 20,000 steps every day, and it's amazing. It's given me so much energy and all that this cool stuff. But that's what you want to do. You want to just be educating people once they get on a list. Same thing. Now take that exact model and you could do it on in a travel industry. You could do it in a make money online industry. If you want to do that crap crypto forex stuff, you could even do it in that. But I don't recommend that stuff. So that's basically being an affiliate. If you wanted to sell Amazon products, right? Well, you would pick a niche and you'd probably pick 6 or 7 products on Amazon. You say, these are the 6 or 7 key products that I'm going to sell. and you're just going to sell those products, right? Maybe it's swimming, maybe it's camping, maybe it's hiking, maybe I don't know, some sports, like maybe it's basketball, I don't know, whatever it is, right? You pick your niche, and then you're going to create content for it. So guys, that's basically what affiliate marketing is, and that's how does it work. You know it. Oh, one more thing, how do you get paid? People always want to know this. So they all pay differently. Some pay on PayPal, although a lot of places aren't paying on PayPal as much anymore because PayPal really isn't into affiliate marketing. So they've really stopped paying out, or they don't like doing affiliate marketing. There's too many people doing sort of PayPal scams. So you can get paid out on they either send it directly to your bank, they can send you a check, or this is my favorite, and I'll show you. So this is one that gets loaded every week. This is also one that gets loaded every week. And what else do I have in here? This is one that gets loaded every week. And those are my three. Those are my three of them that get loaded every week, with commissions. Actually, this one's every two. I think it's every 2 weeks they pay out. Anyways, but guys, that's basically, and then the money's just on there. I can cash advance it. I can transfer it to my bank. I can do whatever I want with it, and that's how I get paid. Some of the other ones that I'm in pay directly to my bank, and I even have one that actually sends me a check. They send me a check every month, and that's a very cool one. So that's how you get paid. I do have a couple that pay on PayPal, but I hate using PayPal now, so I actually get them to send it to someone else's PayPal account, and I get them to wire me the money. So it's just like, I don't want to deal with PayPal. I owned, just a short story, I owned a online company that had PayPal, and PayPal screwed me around so badly. They froze my account a couple of times, and I just have no love for PayPal, so I refuse to have an account. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Make sure you hit subscribe. Now, check out the $7 training. Now, this is super important. This is going to change your life, because what I taught you there is the mechanics of affiliate marketing. What you need to get into is the actual mindset, right? And the actual philosophy behind how you're going to be selling. So how you're going to structure your blog or your content. You know, you want to be telling stories. You want to be keeping people involved, engaged. Like you want to learn all the nuances of actual marketing. And that's what your $7 is going to get you. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.